So now we will learn about conditional formatting. So conditional formatting helps you to visualize, explore, and analyze data. It changes the appearance of cells based on some built-in conditions in Excel or some conditions that you specify. So for example, if a condition is true, then cells are formatted in one way, or if the condition is false, the cells will be formatted in another way. And in this tutorial, I will show you first some built-in conditional formatting. And first, let's select this data here, the expenses data ranging from cell B5 to cell B14. So you can simply drag over this data to select them, or let's say select cell B5 and go to cell D14 and then shift click. Or if you want to use this data frequently, you can simply select them, go to the name box and type in, for example, data, and hit the enter key. So if we deselect here by selecting any cell and go to the name box, and you can choose data, and this will automatically choose these cells for you. Now these cells are selected. In order to apply conditional formatting to them, we go to the Styles section in the Home tab, and we click on this conditional formatting button, and we have three ways to conditional formatting, either by using data bars, color scales, or icon sets. So data bars will help you to compare the value of cells relative to each others. So you can see here the length of data bar represents the value in the cell. So longer bar means higher value and shorter bar means low values. And either you can apply gradient fill by choosing some gradient to a color, to blue, yellow, green, any color that you want, or by using some solid fill. So this is mainly a personal preference. The second way to conditional formatting is by using color scales, and color scales will compare the values in the cell by applying a gradation to two colors or three colors. So a gradation to two colors, for example, if you choose this one, a green yellow color scale, so higher values, as you can see, will be more green and lower values will be more yellow. And if you apply three colors scales, for example here, blue, white, red, so higher values will be blue, middle values will be approximately white, and low values will tend to the red color. Okay. The third way to do conditional formatting is by applying icon sets. So this will apply an icon for each data range. So if you choose, for example, these three arrows in the directional category, so the green up arrow will represent high values, the yellow sideways arrow will represent middle values, and the red down arrow will represent, as you can see, low values. And you can also apply shapes. Here we have these three traffic lights. So green light, high values, yellow light represent middle values, and red light will represent slow values. And also you can see these ratings. You can apply any one that you want. And we have here 4 ratings by showing 1 to 4 complete bars, similarly to the bars on your cell phone, for example. Or you can have from 0 to 5 bars also. So 5 bars means the maximum value, and no bars or 0 bars means the minimum value. So if we choose this one, for example, and also we can apply another conditional formatting on top of this formatting. So these are selected, we go also to the conditional formatting, and for example apply a data bar conditional formatting. So you can see that Excel will allow you to apply multiple conditional formatting on top of each others. So sometimes it looks nice, but sometimes it doesn't. So in case that you don't like these two formatting on top of each others, you can clear them out by going to the style section, to the conditional formattings, and you can see here we have this clear rules option, and you have two options: either clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from entire sheet. So I will choose this one, clear rules from entire sheet. Okay, so we can, let's apply one conditional formatting. So here I will choose the data in the name box, go to conditional formatting in the style section, and go to data bars and choose, for example, this one. And so now you know how to apply some built-in conditional formatting in Excel. In the next video I will show you how to customize the conditional formatting in order to format the cells exactly the way you want, rather than just using some built-in conditional formatting features.